And then, Carl, I mean, we've talked beforehand that a lot of the Philippine diaspora has been, they were the first to really follow you online and see what you are. What do you attribute that to? And what particular post or subject do you think has resonated with the diaspora?
I think what I find really interesting I think this is connected also to the recent pandemic. Because when people were locked down, people started to think about what's important to them. Especially when we're surrounded by so much anxiety, parang naisip nila, ano ba yung mahalaga sa atin? And they think of family, heritage, representation in media and politics. And all of these things seems to be something global, something very recognizable across, not just in the Philippines, but across the world. And I see a lot of returning to indigeneity, returning to your roots, and recovering these things that we feel like we've lost. Not just across time, but also through globalization, through the internet, because a lot of it is Western media, a lot of it is really just, we know more about stuff abroad than we know about stuff here. So it's kind of weird. And a lot of people recognize the importance of going back to their roots, as Silke has done.
But I wanted to ask, for those of us who don't really know, you espouse Filipino psychology. Could you explain a bit more about that?
Right. I see my work more about looking at human consciousness through the lens of culture. So it's not that I'm telling people, oh, this is what Filipino culture is, ito yung pagka-Filipino. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying I happen to be Filipino. And this happens to be the way that I understand things. But we're all human now, across different places, across different cultures. So how I see it is human consciousness, being human, shared humanity, and we just happen to have the words for it, like kapwa, Ilocano, nahem. These words are very unique and special to us, but that doesn't mean na tayo lang yung meron yan. So that's maybe why also a lot of people resonate with that kind of